did a bass drum, snare drum, same note.
Do you think that they're in the past
Oh yeah. They have to be doing it in such a way that they're not getting in each other's way. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There has to be a skill to do it.
So they know about the hand to each one.
Yeah, all that stuff. They have to be getting that right. And the delay and all, like for everyone. Skill in that.
Kind of hard to see it because it just looks a bit blurry on the camera.
I like those ones.
Go in front so I can film you watching it. Yeah, I can't really see it. Turn around. Yeah, it's too dark.
Yeah.
It's like a musicality to it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, listen, stand up here and face me for a minute. I want to see, can I get a shot of you just with that in the background because it looks cool. It's just when it lights up, it's like, it's... Yeah, I don't know.
What's that smoke down there?
Huh?
Smoke down there.
Yeah. It was a bomb.
It sounds like it's going off in a room.
Yeah. Start getting the gas. Don't definitely want to do that.
Your head up.